Jai Srimannarayana. 29th sloka of 5th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Bhoktaram Yajñatapasam Sarvaloka Maheswaram Suhrudam Sarvabhutanam Jnatva Mam Shanti Mruchati. Om. If you want to be in peace, you have to realize that Sri Krishna Paramatma is only the enjoyer of all your pujas, vratas, tapasyas, yajñas, everything. Sri Krishna Paramatma is Lord of all the Lords. Sri Krishna Paramatma is supreme. Sri Krishna Paramatma is the most best well-wisher of each and every entity. If we realize all this, we will be in always peace of mind. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Without wasting any more time, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma, wholeheartedly disclosing that Krishna, I shall realize that you are the Supreme. Krishna, I shall realize that you are the enjoyer of all the vratas, tapasyas, pujas, yajñas, everything. O Krishna, I shall realize that you are the most best well-wisher of everyone. O Krishna, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, I shall act according to your word. Krishna, Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensual enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam anupeta mapeta krutyam ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం 9th స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sumati gave birth to Sannatimana and he gave birth to Kruti. Kruti Hiranyanabhat yo yogam prapya jagausma Shat Samhitaha Prachya Samnam. Kruti, because of Chaturmukha Brahma's blessings, he got such a great amount of yoga balam, and with that he taught 6 Samhitas from Samavedam. Now, Kruti's son is Nipa. Nipa's son is Udgrayudha. His son is Kshaumya. Kshaumya's son is Suvira. Suvira's son is Ripunjaya. Ripunjaya's son is Bahuradha. And Purumidha, he doesn't have any children. Ajamidha's son is Neela. Neela's son is Shanti. Shanti's son is Sushanti. And his son is Puruja. Puruja's son is Arka. Arka's son is Bharmyasva. And he got Mudgala, Yavinara, Bruhadvisva, Kampilya, Sanjaya sons. He got those sons. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 5th chapter 29th sloka. Bhoktaram yajna tapasam sarvaloka maheswaram suhrudam sarvabhutanam jnatva mam shanti mruchati. Bhoktaram yajna tapasam sarvalokamaheeswaram suhrudam sarvabhutanam jnatva mam shanti mruchati. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.